Meal 1, breakfast, 250 calories. 1 boiled egg, 70 calories. 1 slice whole grain toast, 80 calories. 1/2 avocado, 120 calories. Black coffee. Meal 2, mid-morning snack, 100 calories. 1 small apple, approximate 95 calories. 1 tablespoon almond butter. Meal 3, lunch, 300 calories. Grilled chicken breast, 3 ounces, 120 calories. Quinoa, cooked, 1/2 cup, 111 calories. Steamed broccoli, 1 cup, 55 calories. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon for dressing, 120 calories. Meal 4, afternoon snack, 100 calories. Carrot and cucumber sticks with hummus, 1/2 cup, 100 calories.
5. Dinner, 250 calories. Baked whitefish, cod, tilapia, etc. 3 ounces, 100 calories. Sweet potato, 1 medium, baked, 103 calories. Mixed green salad with lemon vinaigrette, 1 cup, 47 calories.
Before you go, make sure to subscribe to FITFLEX and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.